What's going on, guys? In this video we're going to be installing G80 M3 bucket seats in the F80 M3. Current seats. Be a nice upgrade.
Remove 4 bolts. 1, 2. About to take the seatbelt off. Just screw right there.
It's a side-by-side comparison of the two seats. This is a non-comp seat. This was from an M3 comp. Big difference. So, put it on. Mock-up right there. They do bolt right up. Just have to align it a little bit, but everything does line up to plug and play. And also, the plug is a direct fit. So I'm gonna install the seatbelt, get that put on, and then I'll put on the bolts, plug it in, and I'll show you guys the finished product.
Seatbelt, the G80 does have the bracket on the side, so just thread the bolt in and
The seatbelt will be fastened. Then you just repeat the same process for the driver's side, and then you end up with seats. They look amazing. Big difference. This is a view from the driver's side. I'm gonna go take it out, get some better videos, and we'll see you guys at Beamer Invasion. Thank you.